Yes, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Freedom Coach Cashflow Builder channel. Oh, I'm glad to have you back because we're going to have some fun. How do I know? Because we're going to move it to the left. That's subscribe. Move it to the right. Subscribe. Move it to the bottom, to the left. Subscribe. Move it to the bottom, right. Subscribe. Y'all know I forget. So before I do, make sure you hit the subscription button and hit the bell. Now, what we're going to be talking about today is cash flow pattern, about increasing your cash flow and why that's important and some of the things you need to do it. This is a part of income shifting. So we want to give you a few little details within these strategies so you're able to do that. So guess what? Let's get started. Now, for the people that don't know who I am, my name is Fahim Muhammad, the Freedom Coach. I am a chartered senior financial planner, licensed real estate broker, licensed mortgage broker, licensed insurance and investment broker, 3-time author over the book series, Making It Happen from Zero to Hero, How to Build Wealth with Money and Real Estate Investments, Credit to Freedom, and Freedom is Not for Sale. International speaker and trainer, but also your brother, your family, and friend, and want to show you how to play the money game to win. Now, cash flow pattern, business income. You want to put yourself in a position where money is working for you and you not always working for it. I repeat, you want to learn how to play the money game and have money working for you and not you always working for it. So we're going to talk about that in the cash flow pattern. So one of them we just going to talk about because there's different levels to this, but we're going to talk about what is called leverage, or better known as other people's talent, or one word that is called scale. And what that means is when you scale, you're taking it large. So when you're using other people's talent, then you're not only using yours, you are able to scale the talent, the product or service, so everybody can be able to grow to make money, or leveraging your time. Okay? So what are some of the things that you can do to do that? This is huge. Also, this is going to help on all levels. This is going to help in the other strategies. It's going to help in the ditching the debt strategy. It's going to help in the credit to freedom strategy. It's going to help in the minimize the taxes strategy within the income shifting, because you're using, if you use all these, ladies and gentlemen, you're finna blow the socks off of this thing, right? So here we go. First one, leverage. One of the things, network marketing. Ladies and gentlemen, it is several businesses and several industries that are very successful. Statistics says that it's over 80% of women make 6 figures in some type of network marketing. That is huge. That is huge. Some type of network, you can't beat that with a ball in the bat, or just a traditional home-based business, something that you can work from home. You don't always have to have a brick and mortar, because ladies and gentlemen, you realize that that's why now things are reverting. That costs a lot of money. Companies not able to keep up all these expenses. They are allowing people to work from home and do virtual things. So you want to be able to have a number 2, home-based business. Then number 3, again, other people's talent. You want to be able to scale it. You want to be able to leverage. Then subcontractor. You go out. You don't always have to be able to do the whole project. You can be a project manager, get the project, subcontract the project out to certified, qualified, bona fide people. Make sure you monitor the project. And again, you make the money. So if you hypothetically don't like to clean up garbage, but they giving out a $10,000 a month contract for garbage, guess what you do? You get the contract for $10,000, you get $3,000 and pay somebody else $7,000 to clean up what you don't want to clean up, okay? This is how you leverage, this is how you scale. This is one of the particular ways. The next thing, the internet. I don't even think we need to say no more. The internet has made more millionaires over this decade than any other vehicle that people talk about for the last century. That's a big deal. So you want to be able to have something, and the internet allows you to be able to make money when you sleep. You want to be able to leverage. You want to be able to scale it. That's huge with that. Other people's talent. The next one. This is just another idea. It's so many. And so we just said bookkeeping. Do you know right now majority business owners don't just go out of business just because they don't have no money. They're not able to track and monitor money. So money coming in, going out, and nobody's giving them a report card, daily, weekly, monthly for them to track it. And ladies and gentlemen, what you don't track, you will lose. So you want to make sure you understand. So that's why we have a saying in business, inspect what you expect. So you got to inspect it in order if you expect it for it to pay you. So that's huge. So bookkeeping is one. Then the next thing, you're talking about tutoring. Ladies and gentlemen, that is huge. You're talking about tutoring. You can't lose on these things. So you want to be able to put yourself in a position where for income shifting, where you can increase your cash flow. You can have some business income coming in, and it's not always about what you do. It's about working smarter than harder. It's about having money work for you instead of you always working for it. So as I close all the time, good things come through those who wait, but only what's left over from those who hustle. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Y'all know I forget it's in the top, bottom, left, or the right. You want to make sure that you hit the subscription button, but also you want to make for sure that you hit the comments down below if you want to get a worksheet or other information, attend any of our webinars. But make sure you subscribe to the channel. We got all kind of good educational things coming out. Cost you anything so you can be able to help yourself and you can share with family and friends. And as I say, the hustle is for free, but the game is for a fee. My name is Fahim Muhammad, the Freedom Coach. Free yourself and your dreams will follow. Y'all have a good one. I'm out.